Hi, welcome to Dave's Corner of the World. Have a great day.
This is what we're going to repair this leak with. Right now I got to go turn the water off for several rigs, so I'll be back. Oh gosh. Okay, I just turned the water off. Open up a valve up here to let the water drain. And I'm going to hurry back and get our job done as quick as I can. All right, now got to do this as quick as I can because I don't want the water turned off any longer than it has to be. We're going to reuse the same valve. Get the hose off of it. Get this turned out. Should be a reasonably simple job. Yep. Okay. I'm going to get a wire brush, clean that up a little bit. Okay. Need to get all these threads really cleaned out. If you don't, it'll still continue to leak. All right, we're getting there. Now, a lot of people use Teflon tape to do something like this. Well, I like Teflon tape, but I do not like it between something metallic and plastic. It just doesn't seem to get in good enough. It seems to, for me, it always leaks. So this is stuff that I use right here, and it seems to work really good. You can get it in either a bottle like this or a tube form, either one. And make sure that you get it in deep, deep, deep in every single thread. Every single thread needs to be completely covered in. We have 90 to 95 pounds of water pressure here at the park. And that's way too much. But that's what we got. So if anything isn't absolutely perfect in the plumbing line, it's going to leak. So that looks pretty good. I go get a grease rag to clean up my hands. Be right back. All right. Get my fingers cleaned up here. Put this back in. I shouldn't need any more than about finger tight. That should be good enough. All right, I'm going to go back and turn the water on. Okay, water's back on. Put the cover back over. And I'll run back over here. Make sure we're not leaking. All right, hopefully it's dry. Yeah, no water there. No water there at all. That's a good thing. This job is completed. All right. So we'll hook this back up, because that's the way it was when we got here. When you're out RVing, always use a pressure gauge. Even if you know what the poundage is, always use one. I'll leave a link below to a video I did on this. Very important. Alrighty, water's back on. This job is done. See you next time